Hello everyone, how you guys doing? Yes, welcome back to our channel. On this our channel, I'm going to show you the recipe. I'm going to do this fufu and cassava. This is cassava. These two tubers, like tubers of cassava. I'm going to use it to do fufu. This is the grinding machine I'm going to use. We call it akpu. Akpu, I don't know what you call it, fufu or whatever. Cassava. This is cassava. Okay, let's get started, guys, and watch how I'm going to do it and turn it to fufu or akpu or whatsoever you guys call it on your tribe. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel and let's continue moving. I have already peeled the cassava as I showed you before. Now I have already pieces here. I sliced these two pieces. This is what I'm going to use, this blender to blend everything together. Then this is the porter that is ready, and the soup is over there, guys. The soup is over there. Look at everything here. Let's see how it's going to be. Yes, right now you can see it. I want to pour it inside. And put some water. Let me first try small because I've not tried before. I have to just use this size. I've not tried before. And put some water. Guys, I'm through with the first one. I'm going to grind it at least 3 times. I'm going to try it like 3 times. I need to. This one is already here. Guys, this is the remaining one. I'm going to pour it right inside and finish it up and start the work. As I told you guys, I've never tried before. I don't know how it's going to look. I don't know how it's going. Guys, this is the remaining one. I'm going to pour it right inside and finish it up and start the work. As I told you guys, I've never tried before. I don't know how it's going to look. I don't know how it's going to look at the ending. But without wasting your time, let's go and check it out how it's going to look. Let's see how it's going to look. Let me finish it up so that we can start the main work. I don't know how it's going to look. Guys, you can see it. This is the last one. I believe it's good now. I have to start the main job here. Let's see how it's going to look like. I've already on it. You can see I have to start to turn it. Let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how it's going to be. I've never tried this, guys. Let's check it out and see how it's going to be. I've never tried this. Let's check it out. I don't know if I'm going to reduce to put in on the medium so that it will not be too heat. It will not be too slow or too heat. I don't know. Let's be trying. Let's be trying. But I've never watched any video of this. But I just saw it. But I know that it's going to be like this. Because as an African man, you try anything, you see how the outcome is going to be. Oh my God, are we done? Is this thing going to come out good? Is it going to come out good? Just let me know. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it's like I will put it the highest. Let's check if it's going to come out good. Let's check. Guys, am I doing it good? Let me know. Let me know if I'm doing it good. Okay, let me start turning it. It's getting thick gradually. As you can see it, it's getting thick gradually. I don't know if I'm getting it. I don't know. Let's keep trying and see the outcome. Guys, can you see it? It's getting thick.
Wow.
You can see this. You can see this. Akpu is ready.
Yummy.
Akpu is ready. Guys, look at it. It's getting thick. It's getting thick. Look at it now. I cannot draw it again. It's very thick right now. It's getting thick, guys. I cannot take it up again. Oh my God. It's getting thick. Look at it, guys. Look at it. You can see it. Guys, as you can see, it's almost ready. As I told you before, it's ready now. Look at it. It's very strong now. It's very strong. You can see it. You can see it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. The cassava is ready to consume. The fufu is ready, guys. It's ready. You can see it. Okay, guys. I'm going to put it inside the plate now so that you guys will see it perfectly. Guys, you can see the fufu is ready. Look at it. Look at how it looks like with okra soup. And this mighty fish, you can see the fish, how long it is. You see it because I love it big. That's why I do the fufu so big, guys. Look at it. You see how I started to make it, the finish, everything. Look how it look. It was looking so delicious, so yummy-licious. Try it out, try the recipe out, and cook this type of soup and just match it together. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe to the channel and keep us moving. Thank you. Bye.